you learned how to use variables, apply the distributive property, combine like terms to solve equations, and simplify variable expressions with exponents by using the multiplication and division properties of exponents. We will now apply this knowledge to polynomials, which are the basic building blocks of algebraic expressions. In this chapter, we will define terms relating to polynomials and will learn how to do certain operations with them, such as adding, subtracting, factoring, and so on. This unit will last 8 to 10 days. Some lessons for this unit will include a PowerPoint, an online Jeopardy game, and interactive algebra tiles known as Polynomials. Before we even get started on the operations, we should cover some definitions first. To do this, I will pull out my trusty numbers and variables.
A polynomial is the monomial or the sum of one or more monomials. There are 3 different types of polynomials that we will now discuss. First of all, a monomial is a number, a variable, or a product of numbers and variables that have only positive exponents. Examples of monomials would be 7x squared, -3, and ab squared. A polynomial with 2 terms is a binomial. So, if 7x squared and -3 join together to become 7x squared minus 3, they would be a binomial. Now, we don't want to leave out ab squared, so when he joins the math party, it becomes a trinomial. There are the basic terms we will be using in Chapter 9, Polynomials.
So the question you might have on your mind is, why do we have to learn about polynomials? First thing is that it is Section 1.01b in the North Carolina Standard Course of Study. Other than that, polynomials are mainly used to define functions. Then these functions are used in math, chemistry, physics, and other sciences. In a more applicable way, televisions, computers, and phones all receive signals that are sine waves, which are made up of polynomials.